What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing Grubs. Today, not talking about fishing, we're talking about is the Loot Crate welcome package. That is a $20 add-on when you first sign up for Loot Crate. They say it's a $40 value. Is it worth it? Now, first things first, I do have another package here, and I know what's in here. I ordered it. This dude did one of the cooler things I saw during COVID, and so I started following his TikTok and whatnot. Came out with this, and I had to get it. I pre-ordered it like months ago, and just showed up today. Let's put it on. Guys, this is the Tugski shirt from Rusty Van Ranch. Such a sick shirt. I had to get it. Guys, if you don't know who Rusty Van Ranch is and what Tugski is, this dude during COVID took one of those like little tugboats sandboxes and he converted it into a tugboat jet ski, and it flies. He actually just got it registered recently and is going out a lot more on it now that it's a registered jet ski. I can't believe it. It's so freaking cool. And you know, this is like a play. This shirt is like a play on, you know, the booklets that you get that go with your vehicle or boat. So I thought that was really cool, and I had to pick it up. So without any further ado, let's get into the welcome crate. There she is, folks, the welcome crate. Again, it was 20 bucks. They get you right when you're at checkout, and they're like, hey, do you want this welcome crate for 20 bucks? It's a $40 thing. I have no idea what's in here. Of course, I'm like, well, yeah, it's like half off. So let's see if it's worth it. First thing first, I have no idea what this is. It's like a Pop-Tart. Definitely like a little Pop-Tart. I can give this to the girls. Let's see here. The shirt is pretty dope. I don't know what the heck it is. Attack on Titan. Season 2. I've never seen this show, but that shirt's dope. If any of you have seen that show and want this shirt, let me know. Okay, this is a limited edition item. Don't know what's in here. I know on the back it says hand wash only, so maybe it's like a cup. Coffee cup. Ooh, that was dead on. Let's see what it's a coffee cup of. Oh my goodness. Taya, come in here. Come in here. I think they sent this for you.
What did you say?
I said I think they sent this for you.
It's so cute. Who is it?
This is the Loot Crate. It was the $20 for $40 worth of stuff.
I do think that's for me. I love the Golden Girls.
I come a knock on my door.
That's Three's Company. I thought you were gonna yell at me for walking back and forth so much.
Yeah, so get out of here. This is sick. It is a postcard from Back to the Future. If you guys remember, he had this postcard and his family members were disappearing from it, and then he started disappearing. That's sick. Looks like a limited edition comic. James Bond. Tail like that. Oh. Taya. That's another thing for Taya.
Sick.
This is definitely for me. Little AC Slater in the house. Saved by the Bell. I used to love that show. Fantastic. We got a loop pin that says Squad. I'm gonna give that to the girls.
It's so cute.
The pin says Squad. I don't know what that's from, but it's pretty dope. We'll put that up there. And then probably my favorite thing. I don't even really know what it is yet, but I think it's my favorite thing. This is from The Evil Dead 2, which I love. This is an adult toy.
That's awesome. That's really cute.
That's pretty dope. So that'll go somewhere behind us. I love that. That's definitely my favorite item in the crate. Was it worth $20? Yeah, because it got a little something for everybody. It wasn't just for me. I mean, I signed by E.C. Slater. Come on, guys. So, stoked about that. Just as stoked for the Tugski shirt as the Loot Crate, because, come on now. And, that's it. So, was the crate worth it? Yeah, no, I really think it was. It had a lot of stuff. Like I said, a little bit for everybody. Now, the only thing that I probably won't, wear or use is this shirt. So if any of you guys want it, let me know and we'll send it your way. But you gotta at least watch the show. You can't be a poser. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bitch on.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.